What the heck is a singing meditation? I would like to explain it to you in this video. You can explore this for yourself if you just comment sing and relax. I'm going to send you a link to a free 10-minute singing meditation so you just can feel the benefits of it. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Anna G. I'm a vocal coach and I also produce singing meditations to help you feel more connected to yourself again, to help you feel more happy by using your voice. And many of you, they know what a guided meditation is. It's like breathing, closing your eyes, letting go of your thoughts, but many of you don't know what a singing meditation is, and I would like to explain it here. So we start in the singing meditation with very, very relaxing music in the background. It has many synthy sounds, it's really calming one down. So my boyfriend is a music producer and he produces all these very calming, relaxing music sounds that we use in the singing meditations in the background. Then we use breathing exercises, deep breathing exercises, and that means we use belly breathing because that is what singers also use for singing. And belly breathing is actually the #1 relaxation tool for people who teach relaxation. So you get this, you're really in the #1 relaxers here when you use belly breathing. I'm sorry. And we add our singing voice, of course. We do a lot of humming exercises, like we use just simple, easy notes, like one note or 2 or 3 notes. Then we use simple, short phrases to sing. What I use to is I make your diaphragm work a little more, so you feel your body more. And with all of these that I do, it's the relaxing music, it's the belly breathing, it's using your voice, humming and singing simple exercises, so really everyone can do this. All of these things makes you feel like your body and your head and your throat is vibrating. It's like a vibration from inside going to the outside, and you're feeling your body more, you're feeling your face more, and it's like your inner voice, your inner source is coming out, and it's incredibly relaxing. It's incredibly calming for your mind, because when you sing, when you hum, there are no thoughts. You don't have the space for worries or thoughts. You just sing and hum them away. Plus you feel all these vibrations that make you feel very, very relaxed. Not only you feel relaxed, you also feel happier because oxytocin is released. And not only this, happier, relaxed, and you're more focused too. Yeah, when you sing and hum, you get more focus. And if you would like to explore this for yourself, I really recommend it for everybody who's feeling stressed, who's feeling sad, who's feeling distracted. Really, just comment sing and relax. I'm going to send you a link to a free 10-minute singing meditation, and then you can just feel for yourself what it's like and how it feels, how it makes you feel. Okay, so don't hesitate, comment sing and relax. I'm going to send you the link. I'm wishing you a relaxing day.